Welcome to YouTube channel, Progressive Education. Today I'm gonna to discuss the chemistry about elephant toothpaste. Elephant toothpaste is called elephant's toothpaste because the chemical reaction produces a large foamy mess that looks like toothpaste squirting out of a tube. It is so big that only an elephant could use toothpaste this large. Iodide reacts with the hydrogen peroxide, H2O2, by removing an oxygen atom. The oxygen gas produced gets trapped in the soap, which produces the big ball of foam. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with family and friends for more interesting videos.